Winter squash is the ultimate comfort food that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients.
Our winter squash, vibrant, hearty and comforting. It's a staple of cold weather cooking. But the question is it good or bad for you? First, let's talk about the good stuff that winter squash brings to the table. Winter squash is packed with nutrients that are essential for our health and well-being. It's a powerhouse of vitamins like A, C and E, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, vision and immune function. Along with these vitamins, it also contains important minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and support muscle function. These nutrients work together to support everything from eye health to a strong immune system, making winter squash a fantastic addition to your diet. And don't forget the fiber. One serving contains about 3 grams. That makes winter squash great for digestion and keeping you feeling full. But what about the bad? Are there any potential downsides to consider when incorporating winter squash into your diet? While winter squash is low in calories and packed with nutrients, it does contain natural sugars. This means that, despite its health benefits, it can still impact your blood sugar levels. For people managing their blood sugar, it's essential to eat it in moderation. Pairing it with protein and healthy fats can help balance its effects, ensuring you get the benefits without the spikes. Always consider your overall dietary needs and consult with a nutritionist if necessary. The final verdict on winter squash. Winter squash is undeniably good for most of us. It's packed with essential nutrients, vitamins and fiber, as long as you're mindful of portion sizes and how you prepare it. Moderation is key to enjoying its benefits. Baking or roasting with minimal oil is a healthier choice. These methods help retain the squash's natural flavors and nutrients compared to frying or adding too much sugar, which can diminish its health benefits. So enjoy your winter squash in a balanced and nutritious way. So is winter squash good or bad? The answer lies in balance. What's your favorite way to enjoy winter squash?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.